nagkaroon tayo ng mga class suspensions. But nevertheless, we are very thankful that we are able to celebrate this event today. So to the parents who are with us, thank you for coming. Alam po namin na medyo busy tayong lahat, but your support to our activity is very important po para sa aming lahat. So, yung makita po ng ating mga anak, yung inyong presence ngayong araw, malaking bagay po iyon para sa kanila. And of course, to our elementary students, alam po marami tayong activities for today. I'm looking forward for everyone's cooperation. Diba? Ano ba ang pinaka-importante sa event natin ngayon? So, kailangan ma-realize natin kung ano yung kahalagahan ng pagkain ng nutritious foods at magiging healthy. Sige nga, before tayo mag-umpisa sa ating mga activities, gusto kong malaman sino ang kumakain ng gulay? Taas mo kamay ang kumakain ng gulay. Yung totoo lang ha, yung totoong gulay, hindi yung chichirya ng lasang gulay. Okay, madami sila. Very good. Madami tayong kumakain ng gulay. What about yung kumakain ng fruits? Taas na kami yung kumakain ng fruits. Madami rin. Very good. How about fish? May kumakain ba ng fish? Ayan. And syempre, marami pa tayong mga nutritious foods na dapat kinakain natin para maging healthy and strong. So pag sinabi ni Mami at ni Daddy na kailangan kumain ng gulay, ng prutas, ng fish, and iba pang nutritious foods, dapat sumusunod tayo. Kasi para sa atin yun. Para tayo ay maging healthy and strong. Diba? Tama ba si Ma'am? Naku, wala na sumagot. Okay, so thank you very much and please enjoy our activities. Mamaya, marami rin tayong mga games and I think yung ating committee has prepared something. May konting prizes tayo for the winners of the games. So thank you very much everyone and please enjoy the day. Thank you so much, Ma'am Marla, for that meaningful message. Again, good morning, Tracinians. We are here to celebrate our Nutrition Month with the theme, Sapipan Sama-sama sa Nutrisyong Sapat para sa Lahat. This year's celebration is a challenge to every one of us, students, teachers, and leaders, to come together and ensure that no one is left behind. And when it comes to health and nutrition, because we unite for a healthier Philippines, we don't just save lives, we change them. Our first activity for today is for our dear Kinder to Grade 3. This activity highlights the importance of physical activity as part of healthy lifestyle. Let's get energized with Sayaw Galaw Zumba para sa kalusugan to be led by Coach Jeff. May I call the Kinder to Grade 3. Kinder to Grade 3.
Grade 1 po.
I walked into the party. I seen somebody never saw.
Grade 3 forward kayo dito. Hindi kayo dikit-dikit ha, kailangan meron kayong space. Okay, dapat may space kayo, hindi po dikit-dikit, hindi hawak-hawak. Dapat may space. Okay.